Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to record your screen with Camtasia. So firstly, go to Camtasia, open Camtasia, then you'll find on top left corner this record option. Just click on this record, and if you now click on, you can see here the mic which is fluctuating, and here the audio. And if you want to open the video camera, then you can open this from here, and here your screen. Now to start your recording, you have to just click on this record, REC. If you click on this record, your video recording or the screen recording will be started. Okay, so this is so simple like this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.